Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox a Nokia 106. This is quite close to one of the toughest phone in the market so far. It is around £20. Nothing more, nothing less. It's a very budget phone. I'm really curious to see what this phone is all about. It is not a smartphone, it's just a phone. It's like an old school. Take a phone call, text somebody. That's pretty much it. So let's see what this is all about. When you come to the features, it is come with 15.7 hours of battery, 21.9 days, LED touch. You have 1.6 screen. It is a dual SIM. You have 1.8 display, 2000 contacts, which is converted to 4 GB of storage, and it does support 2G. It's not 3G or 4G. Operating system going to be a MediaTek, and weight is 20 grams. So let's unbox this and set up the phone and see how the phone. You get a micro USB charger and a battery. It doesn't come with the headphones or anything like the other phones. It simply is very small. It is very close to most of the wireless headphone size. So it's very small, it's very light. And if you look at it, you have the headphone jack on the top. So you can connect your headphone. You have the lights and a micro USB cable. That's pretty much it. A micro USB cable, it's not a USB, so you can't change them, but again, as long as you have a micro USB cable, you can charge the phone. What's this? So old school, open the back from the back. 2 SIM cards. It doesn't gonna take micro SD card or SD card. So let's put the battery up. This is a lithium ion battery, so that's the one is going to give you the longest battery. So that's pretty much it. Let's turn this on. So you get the old school Nokia phones settings. So if you're looking for like very cheap phone when you're traveling, you don't want to hassle, so let's set it up. So it does come with like quite a lot of language. Let's set it in English. Done. Pretty much is. That is simple as that. So you get 2 SIM cards on the top. If you go to menu, so you do get phone calls and go back. So it's old school. Phone calls, cancel, and choose your menu from the sides, and you get contacts. You can go for contacts, time, alarms, touch, turn on, message, so you can create message and send, and also you get a radio. You can set up calculator, calendar. That is going to be a snake game, the old school snake game, if you want to play. Quite fun. Then you do get few more games come with it. When you go to settings, you can change the ringtone, display, so change the wallpapers and all that, time, color, security, and go to security. It doesn't have a Bluetooth, so you can't use a Bluetooth headphones. You have to use a wired headphone, but it's one of the best, in my opinion, is one of the best phone to carry with you when you're traveling. You don't want to lose the phone. Even if you want to lose it, it is okay. It is not £1,000. This is just £20. So you can buy like 4 of these, put in your travel bag, carry with you. If you're using it, just change the SIM. Or even if you go to world countries where Vietnam, Thailand and all that, you just worry about using data and losing phone. Get a SIM card when you arrive in the destination, put them on, use it. Even if you lose the phone, it is perfectly alright. It's not that much. You're not spending that much money on it. At the same time, you are getting the most important functionalities, which is making a phone call to someone, let them know where you're at. Are you okay? Are you safe? Texting. That's pretty much it. And if you're really bored, just go and listen to a local radio. It's not that bad. So £20, is it worth it? Definitely it is. You are getting all the most important functionalities. If you drop them, they are very tough, so you can drop them much as you want, they're still gonna work. It's not like the other Nokia one where you have one of the toughest phones. You can throw them around, it was still gonna work. These, it's not going to be that tough. This is an opportunity for me to show you it's like a fun, simple phone rather than a full review. I'll leave the link below for Amazon if you guys are interested. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.